Do you want to be able to fix Twitter's sensitive content settings if it's not working for you? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix it. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know, because if you actually miss out on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, well, then it probably will not work. So you need to follow along step by step. And the first step is going to be quite simple. We need to actually close our Twitter app and instead go into your mobile browser. And the reason why you need to do this is because, unfortunately, as of right now, it does not work to fix it on the Twitter app itself. We need to go into our mobile browser. And if you have a computer, by the way, then you can actually use your computer as well. It works exactly the same. So now on my mobile browser, I'm just going to search for Twitter in here. So you need to go into Twitter. And by the way, if it's the first time that you're actually logged into like Twitter on your mobile browser, then you will need to log into your like account as well, just so you know. And now when you have logged into your account, then you should be taken here. What I'm going to do on this page is to firstly click on my profile picture in the top left corner. And as you can see, I get to this page right here. What I'm going to do on this page is to click on settings and support. So click on settings and support, scroll down in here, click on settings and privacy. Now you should be taken here, as you can see, which is perfect. What I'm going to do on this page is to actually click where it says privacy and safety. So click on privacy and safety. Now click on content you see, and then click on display media that may contain sensitive content. As you can see, that's the first step that you actually need to enable this one if you want to be able to see sensitive content on Twitter. And the second step, actually, a lot of people miss out on this second step that I'm going to show you. So click on search settings. As you can see, click on search settings. If you have hide sensitive content enabled in here, then you need to disable this one as well. So basically, this is exactly how to fix it. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.